Baking with Chef Ella.
Okay. Hi, welcome to Baking with Chef Ella. Today, I'm going to be making strawberry shortcake, and I'll be using all of these ingredients. First, we need to mix the ingredients. 5 cups of flour. You need to make sure to smooth it out. Next is 5 teaspoons of baking powder. Next is 1 teaspoon of salt. And now we mix it all up. Next, I'm going to need a cup of butter. After that, I'm going to need a cup of vegetable oil. Now, I'm going to need 3 cups of sugar. Now I'm going to need 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. Now I'm going to mix it all together until it's light and fluffy. Next, I'm going to need 8 eggs, stirring them in one at a time. Now I'm going to add half of the flour mixture that we made earlier. Now I'm going to add 2½ cups of milk. Now I'm going to add the rest of the flour mixture. Now I'm going to pour our cake mixture into the pans. While our cake's in the oven, now it's time for our homemade strawberry sauce. Today we're going to be using frozen strawberries, cornstarch, sugar, and water. First we're going to use 1 cup of water in a big pot. Next, we're going to be using 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Now, we're going to stir that all together. Now it's time to add our frozen strawberries. I've thawed 2½ cups and cut them into bite-sized pieces. Next, we're going to stir in 3/4 cups of sugar. Now we're going to put it on the stove to cook for 10 minutes on medium heat. When it's done cooking, and while it's cooling, we're going to make our whipped cream frosting. First, we're going to put 2 teaspoons of gelatin into this 3 tablespoons of cold water. Now it's time to put 3 cups of our heavy whipping cream into our mixing bowl. Now we're going to whip that on medium speed for 15 seconds until it's foamy. Now it's time to put our gelatin mixture in the microwave for 5 seconds. Now I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of heavy whipping cream into our gelatin mixture. That's 1, there's 2. Now we're going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract into our heavy whipping cream. And next, we're going to add 1/2 cup of powdered sugar into our heavy whipping cream. Now it's time to mix that up on medium speed until it forms soft peaks. Now we're going to drizzle in our gelatin mixture on low speed until they form stiff peaks. Now we're going to start with a thin layer of frosting. Now we're going to make a thick border around the edges of the cake. Now that our strawberry sauce has cooled, we're going to scoop some of it into the middle of the cake. Now it's time to put our second layer of our cake on top. Now it's time to frost the rest of our cake. Let's start smoothing the sides. Now it's time to frost the top of the cake. It's time to add strawberries all over the top of our cake. Now it's time to pipe swirls in between our strawberries. Now we're going to add strawberry slices along the bottom of the cake. Here it is, Chef Ella's famous strawberry shortcake. If you'd like the recipe for this cake, along with all of my other recipes, you can find it on our website, campvuvu.com. Thank you all so much for helping me. See you next time.